We are starting with this chapter called Mensuration, and in our syllabus we have cylinder and cone only. Now if you see the specimen paper given by council to us, so you will see that this is the chapter from where you are going to get 4 questions. Generally from all the other chapters you get 3 questions, but over here you will be getting 4 questions. So what can we say? This chapter is slightly more important than all the other chapters. The problem with this chapter is that you have lengthy calculations. Suppose value of pi is 3.14 and you need to multiply this by say 57. Now if you ask me, this kind of calculation does not take time. Only thing is that we have a mental block. Believe me, it doesn't take time, but what you require is practice. So keep on practicing this. Don't avoid anything. Don't be lethargic. So you have to be regularly in practice of doing this calculation to improve your accuracy as well as speed. Okay, speed के चक्कर में accuracy पर compromise नहीं करना है और accuracy के चक्कर में slow नहीं करना है. Okay, so we want quality along with quantity, right? There are 2 points which you have to remember. Value of pi. We are always going to consider value of pi as 22/7, right? Unless, okay, bracket में कभी-कभी pi का value देते हैं, तो let them give us any value, like pi can be 22/7, pi can be 3.14. जो भी pi का value वो लोग देंगे तो like a obedient student we are going to use it, okay? But अगर हमारे ऊपर है कि pi का कौन सा value लेना है, तो we are going to take it as 22/7 because this is the most accurate value. And there will be a sum since we are doing calculation and formula में आप लोगों ने देखा square and cube, 1/3 pi r square h and all. तो possibility है कि you will have to find out a square root. So you have to be ready with your log tables. Please carry your log tables during the examination because you will require that while finding out a square root. Is it fine? So this asterisk mark means this is from a specimen paper. So in specimen paper, as I told you, there are 4 questions from this chapter. So we can say that this chapter is more important than the other chapter. Look here, a rectangular sheet of paper. Very good question. Okay, let me draw this diagram. A paper in a form of a rectangle. Length is 22 centimeter and breadth is 11 centimeter. Right? Now see, this paper is rolled along its shorter side. When you roll a paper, you will get a cylinder like this. Do you agree? This is 22 centimeter and rolling, paper is rolled in this manner along the shorter side. Okay, इसको roll किया. This is a rectangular sheet of paper and this is cylinder. So when you roll this paper, there are certain conversions. Okay. So length of a rectangle became what of a cylinder? Look at that figure and tell me what is 22 centimeter. Cylinder में 2 ही parameter होता है. One is the radius and other one is the height. There are only 2 parameters. So that becomes height. Can you tell me what this 11 becomes? This is very important. If you can understand this, it is very easy. So look here, okay, ये 11 centimeter है, smaller side, and when you roll this, okay, when you roll this paper, this breadth of this rectangular paper will become what? It will become a circumference. This is the catch of this sum. So what we have to find out? We have to find out curved surface area of a cylinder. Formula for curved surface area is 2 pi RH, right? So circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 11. Am I right? So radius is equal to 11/2 pi. Don't substitute this value. इसको ऐसे ही रहने दो. In terms of centimeter. Why am I telling you this? अभी समझ जाओगे आप लोग. So 2 into pi into r. R is 11/2 pi. Into height. Height is 22. So now what? 2 pi and 2 pi cancels. So 22 into 11. 22 into 11. क्या आएगा? Is it 242? Area. So centimeter square. Multiply by 11. Okay. So 2 and 2. Again 2 and 2. So 242 centimeter square. This is the answer. So do we have this option? Yes. Correct option is D. Even you can do this. 2 pi r. 2 pi r is 11. Okay. So 2 pi r is 11 and h is 22. You can do this also. Okay. Now this is also a very important question. A right angled triangle. Okay. Look here. This is a right angled triangle. If you take this as a axis of a rotation और इसको गोल गोल घुमाएंगे, जोर से गोल गोल घुमाएंगे right angle triangle को. So which 3D figure you are going to get? Are you getting this? See, I'll give you this example. This is a rectangular book, okay, or a rectangular page. अगर मैं इसको rapidly घुमाऊंगा गोल, okay, तो क्या कौन सा 3D figure दिखाई देगा ये? If I rotate this rapidly, what? तो that will look like a cylinder. तो triangle को rapidly घुमाएंगे तो क्या दिखाई देगा वो? Okay, so it will look like a cone. Correct ना? ये cone के जैसा दिखाई देगा. Okay. What we have a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. Okay. It is rotated along not hypotenuse, along side of 15 centimeter. Okay, 15 centimeter. Find the volume of a shape so formed. Okay, shape formed is what? When you rotate this right angle triangle, it will become cone. Do you agree? Shape formed is what? Cone. So we have to find out volume of cone. Volume of cone, which is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 into pi is 22 upon 7. What will be radius? Radius will be 20. So 20 into 20 into height is 15. 3 into 5 is 15. Answer we want in terms of pi. So we are not going to substitute pi. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20 and followed by 20. So 2000 pi. And volume सेंटीमीटर, तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. So क्या आंसर है? A. So we will change this. A we will change to 2000 pi. Okay, 2000 pi centimeter cube. In the examination, they can give you a question whereby a rectangle is rotated. So when you rotate rectangle rapidly, 2D figure will become a 3D figure. Rectangle, which is 2D figure, will look like cylinder, which is 3D figure. Third question, the height of a cone. Let me solve it here. Cone, right? This sum we are solving. Height is how much? Height of a cone is 24 centimeter. Radius of a base is 10 centimeter. Okay. And rate of painting is rupees 28 per centimeter square. Okay. Find out the cost of the painting. By the way, cost of the painting, if you see the list of the formula, cost of painting is area multiplied by rate. And cost of digging is volume multiplied by rate. So first we have to find out area. Which area? Cone को paint करना है. तो curved surface area of cone. What is formula for curved surface area of cone? Pi r L. Right? Pi is 22 upon 7. What is radius? 10. But L का वैल्यू नहीं है हमारे पास. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा? तो L का वैल्यू. कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे L का वैल्यू? सो यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, L स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू R स्क्वायर प्लस H स्क्वायर. सो L स्क्वायर गोज टू अदर साइड, बिकम्स अ स्क्वायर रूट. 24 स्क्वायर प्लस 10 स्क्वायर. मुझे ये पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट बाय 24, 10 एंड 26. तो ऐसा कुछ आप लोग भी याद रखोगे, एटलीस्ट दोस ट्रिपलेट्स व्हिच कम रेगुलरली, ओके, इन द सम्स. तो ये 26 है. Right, so this 26 we are going to substitute. तो यही लेते हैं एरिया 22 upon 7 into 10 into 26 and rate of painting is 28. Right, कि multiply करेंगे इसको. What upon 7 do you get? 52 and is it 5760? देखो ना, 22 into 26. 26 को 22 से multiply करेंगे तो 52 डबल हुआ, अगेन 52. ओके, ऐसा डबलेट नंबर होगा 2 2 1 1, तो उसको नीचे रखा करो तो इजी हो जाएगा. 572 करेक्ट ना? 572 एंड 0 कैरी फॉरवर्ड. upon 7, but here I am not substituting that value, इसको already लिखा है तो I will not change it. So 7 into 4 is 28, right? 7 into 4 is 28. तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया था तो वैल्यू क्या आया था 5720 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. Okay, so 0, 4 into 2 is 8, 7 into 4 is 28 to carry 22. So 22,880. So D वाला option. This is the correct option. चलो fourth वाला. Volume of a cylinder is 330 centimeter cube. Specimen वाला question है. Asterisk mark. Volume of a cone is pi r square h is equal to 330 centimeter cube, right? We have to find out volume of cone. So 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Because there it is given that radius and height of both the cylinder and cone are same. So 1 upon 3 pi r square h is 330. So 330 divided by 3, 110. So 110 centimeter cube. देखो ये क्वेश्चन, दिस वॉज व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम है पाई आर स्क्वायर एच एंड कोन का वॉल्यूम है 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन इज 1/3 द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर. इसके ऊपर कुछ आ सकता है, और भी बहुत सारे सम्स होते हैं. सो रिमेंबर दिस रिलेशन, क्योंकि इफ यू ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम, अरे कुछ भी नहीं दिया कैसे करेंगे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर दिया 330, बट देयर आर 2 वेरिएबल्स, सो यू माइट बी कंफ्यूज्ड. हाँ, सो दिस रिलेशन यू शुड नो कि सेम हाइट और सेम रेडियस होगा तो व्हाट इज रिलेशन बिटवीन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज 1/3 द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर. See, diameter of a base is 28 centimeters. So radius will be 28/2. Radius is half of a diameter. So radius is 14 centimeter. And height is 21 centimeter. This is a easy question. Okay. Find the curved surface area. Any idea what is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder? Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. So 2 into 22/7, radius is 14 into 21. So what I'll do is, so 2 in 7 into 2 is 14, 2 into 2 is 4, 88 into 21. 88 into 21 कितना आता है? 8, 16, 168, again 168, 8, 14, 8, 1848, 1848 centimeter square. Also you have to find out total surface area. Total surface area is 2 pi r plus h. So 2 into 22/7, radius is 14 into 14 plus 21. So 2 into 22/7 into 14 into 35. 7 into 5 is 35. 5 into 2 is 10. हाँ, तो 140 into 22. How much? 28 and 28. तो 308. And आगे 0 centimeter square. Also you have to find out volume. करेंगे volume. Do I have space? Volume 22/7 into r square. R is 14 into h 21. Which will be easy? This one. 14 का square is 196 into 66. ये डबलेट रखा करो, मल्टीप्लीकेशन के लिए कम टाइम लगता है. Multiply and tell me what is the answer. Is it 12,936? वॉल्यूम है तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. देखो चेक करो राइट है क्या, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट कैलकुलेटेड दिस. मैंने यहां से देखकर लिखा. देयर इज नो स्पेस फॉर डूइंग कैलकुलेशन. चलो करते हैं. 196 into 66, 12,936. yes. Total surface area is 165 pi centimeter square. Generally pi होगा तो substitute मत करो, cancel हो जाएगा. Okay. And radius of its base is 5 centimeter. Find the height and the volume. 2 pi r into r plus h is equal to 165 pi. As I told you, don't substitute pi. Pi cancelled. So 2 into radius is given 5 into 5 plus h. Consider this as a single value plus क्योंकि बाकी सब तो multiply है. Dividing both sides by 2 into 5. तो ये cancel हो गया. What are we getting? 5 plus h is equal to what? 5 into 10. 165 divided by 10 is 16.5. Therefore, height is 16 and half centimeter minus 5 centimeter. So we all know that 16 and half minus 5 hota hai 11 and half centimeter. Correct? So this is the height. This is our first answer. Also we have to find what? So volume of right circular cylinder pi r square h 22 upon 7 5 into 5 and h mila 11.5. Should I substitute the same value? 115 upon 10. I'll take this. Okay, decimal point निकाल देंगे. तो 5 into 2 is 10, 2 into 11. और कुछ कट हो रहा है? I don't think so. 7 के टेबल में वो नहीं जाता. Okay? तो 11 into 55. 55 multiply by 115 upon 7. कितना आएगा? What upon 7? 115 multiply by 55. 5 into 5 is 25. 2 carry 5, 7. 5 into 5, 7, 5. 5, 7, 5. 5, 12. 6, 3, 2, 5. Right ना? 6, 3, 2, 5. डिनोमिनेटर में 7 है देखो. डिनोमिनेटर में 2 और 5 या उसका मल्टीपल कुछ आएगा तो ही हम लोग डेसिमल पॉइंट में रखेंगे. अदरवाइज ये मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में रखेंगे. 7 into 9 करना है डिवीजन. 6325 डिवाइड बाय 7. 7 into 9 is 63. ओके 2 नीचे आया लेकिन 7 के टेबल में 2 नहीं जाता तो 0 लेकर 5 को नीचे लिया. 7 into 3 is 21. रिमाइंडर is 4. Am I right? तो मेरा आंसर आया 903. रिमाइंडर is 4 and divisor is 7. This is volume. तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. अगर आंसर पॉइंट में दिया है 903.57. ओके सो दिस इज मोर. द आंसर विच वी हैव गॉट दैट इज मोर एक्यूरेट देन दैट वैल्यू. तो डिनोमिनेटर में 2, 5 या उसका मल्टीपल आएगा कुछ. तो ही डेसिमल पॉइंट में लिखो. अदरवाइज आंसर राइट इन अ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. ऑलराइट, कैन वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट वन. ये रेशो वाला सम होगा ना, जरा अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना क्योंकि बहुत पूछते हैं एग्जाम में. ओके, हाइट and radius का ratio क्या दिया है? 3:1. Whenever we have ratio, what do we write? Let the common multiple be x. Therefore, height will become 3x and radius will become 1x, or we will write this as x. Volume is given as 1029 pi and unit is centimeter cube. This is volume of what? Cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h is equal to 1029 pi. Pi and pi we will cancel. R square, r is x. So x into 3x is equal to 1029. Dividing both sides by 3. So 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4. Okay. So x cube is 343. Right, therefore x is what? Cube root of 343. Any idea what is cube root of 343? Is it 7? X is a multiple, तो 7 में unit नहीं होगा. Find total surface area. So now I can say that my radius is x, so 7 centimeter, and height is 3x, so 3 into 7, that is 21 centimeter. Now I have to find out total surface area. Total surface area of what? Cylinder. So pi, total surface area 2 pi r plus h. So 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius is 7 into 7 plus 21. 7 cut. 44 into 28. How much is this? 44 into 28. 3 carry, 4 to the 8, 9, 10, 11. 112 1232 total surface area, so centimeter square. Next question now, ninth wala. A solid cone. Okay, this question is related to a cone. Radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Height is equal to 7 centimeter. Calculate the curved surface area. Formula for curved surface area is pi r L. So we will require the value of L. L square is equal to R square plus H square. Therefore, L square is equal to 5 square plus 7 square. 5 square is 25. 7 square is 49. So L square comes here, becomes square root. 9 and 5 is 14. Is it 74? So you will have to use a log table to find out value of root 74. But here it is already given as 8.6. So centimeter is the answer. Correct? Now curved surface area is pi RL. Value of pi as it is mentioned 3.14 into radius is 5 into L is 8.6. क्या करते हैं पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 5 into 4 is 22 carry 5 into 7 15 decimal point after 2 digit 1.86. This is as good as 15.7 and 8.6. फटाफट मल्टीप्लाई करो and tell me क्या आंसर आता है. Is it 13502 and decimal point after 2 digits? एरिया तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. आई हैव नॉट मल्टीप्लाइड, मैंने इधर का आंसर देखकर लिखा है. सो जस्ट चेक इट मल्टीप्लाई करके. वॉल्यूम ऑफ व्हाट? कोन 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. 1/3 पाई का वैल्यू इज 3.14 इंटू आर का स्क्वायर. आर इज 5 इंटू एच. एच इज 7. करेक्ट. Now what? 22/7 होता तो 7 कट होता जाता था, but not possible. So this is 3.14 into 25 into 7 is 120, 175. 25 into 8 is 200, तो 7 is 175 divided by 3. Multiply करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 175 multiply by 3.14. So it is 54950. Decimal point is after 2 digit. 549.50. Okay, denominator में 3 है तो recurring type आता है आंसर. Okay, so divide करते हैं. 3 into 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Remainder is 2. 3 into 8 is 24. 3 into 3 is 9. और फिर क्या आया? 5 आया. 3 into 1 is 3. फिर 666 रिकरिंग होगा. 183.17 वॉल्यूम है तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. करेक्ट है? हाँ, यस करेक्ट. सो सी लॉट ऑफ टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड. ये वाला इजी. आई होप ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे एग्जाम में. अ जोकर कैप इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ कोन of radius of base as 7 centimeter, height as 24 centimeter. हाँ, पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट एनी आइडिया क्या है? 7, 24 and therefore L is equal to 25 centimeter. नहीं पूछा है but we require this. हाँ, 10 such caps are to be made. Find the area of sheet required. Area of sheet. There are 10 caps. So 10 into curved surface area of 1 cap. So 10 multiplied by curved surface area is pi into r into L. So 10 into 22/7. Radius is 7 and L is 25. So 25 into 20 कितना आएगा? 550. 550 into 10 is 5500 centimeter square. 11th वाला क्वेश्चन इज बोर्ड क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी सॉलिड सिलेंडर्स? ओके, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट वाला क्वेश्चन है. नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, क्या फॉर्मूला था? वॉल्यूम ऑफ लार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ one small object. Now what is object over here? How many solid right circular cylinder of radius 2 centimeter and height 3 centimeter can be made by melting a solid cylinder of diameter 12 and high? Okay, तो ये भी cylinder है. Larger object is cylinder and smaller object is also cylinder. As I told in my introduction वाला part कि बड़े वाले cylinder को melt करके छोटे छोटे cylinder बनाने. So how many cylinders can be made? Okay, तो वो पूछा है. So formula will be what? Volume of large cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of small cylinder is also pi r square h. Large को h1 R1 लेंगे और इसको R2 and H2. Pi pi get cancelled. Don't worry about it. बड़े वाले का diameter 12 है. Okay, so R1 radius will be diameter divided by 2. So the radius is 6 centimeter. And बड़े वाले का height, बड़ा वाला cylinder जो है उसका height है 15 centimeter. And छोटे वाले का radius and height is given as how much? Radius is 2 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. This is fairly easy. अलग अलग find out करते मत बैठो, बहुत time waste होगा. Radius is 6, so 6 into 6 and height is 15. And here radius is 2 into 2 and height is 3. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 5. 3 into 3 is 9, into 5 is 45. So 45 cylinders. Number of object is 45 cylinders. Right circular cylinders can be made. Spelling is wrong, huh? Cylinders. देखो ऑब्जेक्ट, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, कॉस्ट, ये रेगुलर सम से एग्जाम है. नाउ 12th one, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ बोर्ड क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा लंबा लग रहा है. अ पीस ऑफ वुडन कोन, कैन यू सी दिस कोन? दिस कोन इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड जिसका रेडियस 7 है और हाइट 12 है. ओके, लेट मी राइट अ डेटा. कोन का रेडियस इज 7 सेंटीमीटर and height is 12 centimeter. ठीक है? So let me take this as R1 and H1. Then cylinder. A cylinder whose radius and height equal to half that of a cone. So cylinder का radius is half of the radius of the cone and height is also half. So 12 का half will be 6 centimeter. ठीक है? Find the volume of the remaining wood. Now these questions are very important. Volume. तो ये ऐसा remaining वगैरह पूछा ना तो you have to create a formula as per a situation. तो here volume of remaining wood, volume of remaining piece of wood, remaining part I'll write, is what? Is it volume of cone minus volume of cylinder? तो ये वाला पार्ट लिखने आना चाहिए आप लोगों को. ओके, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच एंड सिलेंडर इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. कोन के लिए हम लोगों ने 1 R1 एंड H1 और सिलेंडर के लिए R2 एंड H2. सो 1/3 into 22/7, रेडियस इज 7 into 7 square इसलिए. ओके, into 12 minus 22/7, radius is how much? 7/2. 7/2 into 7/2 and height is 6. Correct na? So 7 and 7 got cancelled. 3 into 4 is 12. Any other cancellation is possible? No. This 7 and 7 cancel. 2 into 11. And 2 into 3. देखो थोड़ा टेक्निकली करेंगे तो 11 का मल्टीपल दोनों में है, 7 दोनों में. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम टेकिंग 11 into 7 कॉमन. कैन यू टेल मी फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा? 11 और 7 लिया. 11 into 2 is 22, तो 2 बचा 4. हाँ, 7 is taken out कॉमन. 11 और 7 कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ बचा है 3. करेक्ट ना? So 11 into 7 is 77. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 7 into 5 is 35. 3 carry. 7 into 5 is 35 and 3 is 38. So this is volume. So centimeter cube. 385 centimeter cube. See, this is roller wala sum. Again, this is important. whenever I set a paper, ये question मैं जरूर डालता हूँ roller वाला. Now suppose this is a roller which is used to level the ground. So what will be length of roller become? Okay, roller is in a form of a cylinder. Cylinder में तो length नहीं होता है. So what is the length of the roller we are going to take? Roller is cylinder. हाँ, cylinder में R और H होता है. No length. Okay, तो ये length will be considered as the height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is 2.1 centimeter. ये बातों को याद रखना, otherwise you will not get the answer. And diameter is 1.4. अच्छा, it is meter, not centimeter. For a change, it is meter. And diameter is 1.4 divided by 2. Okay, इसको ऐसे ही रखते हैं. Meter. For leveling a ground, 500 rotation. N का value है 500. How much area was leveled by a road roller? Okay. अगर आप लोगों को याद होगा तो फॉर्मूला दिया था, देखो. Area leveled by this roller. Okay, as per formula क्या आएगा? Curved surface area is 2 pi RH. तो ये level होगा 2 pi RH in one rotation. But if there are n rotation, तो n into 2 pi RH. I think formula में ये दिया था. Okay, this was one of the formula. Okay, so n is 500 into 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is, I'll remove decimal point, 14 divided by 10 upon 2, and height is 2.1, so 21 upon 10. Okay, point निकाला तो 10 आया नीचे और 2 तो already था. Okay, so is cancellation possible? Yes, 2 zeros and 2 zeros cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, 7 into 3 is 21. So what am I getting? 22 into 5 is 110, 110 into 3 is 330. Into 14. So 0 carry forward, 14 into 3 is 42, 2 carry, 2 4 carry, 42 and 4 is 46. 46 area है तो मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, फिर पूछा कॉस्ट. कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू एरिया मल्टीप्लाई बाय रेट. अभी एरिया मिला which was 4620. Rate is given as ₹7 per square meter. So multiplied by 7. 0, 7 into 2 is 14, 43, 4, 7 into 4 is 28 and 4 is 32. So rupees 32,340. Okay, scope of syllabus में transformation of shape दिया है. तो this question particularly belong to that category. Okay, a girl fills a cylindrical bucket. Cylinder. So girl fills this bucket 32 centimeter in height. And radius is 18 centimeter with a sand. She empties the bucket on the ground and make a conical heap. So cone, conical heap of the sand. If height of a cone is 24 centimeter, what is the radius of base? Okay, so this I'll take as H1, R1 and H2 and R2. Now, यहाँ जो कैच क्या है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. डू यू एग्री? क्योंकि ये बकेट है, इसका सैंड जो है वो कोन में कोन होके पोर कर दिया इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ कोन. तो दोनों का वॉल्यूम इक्वल है. वॉल्यूम इज सिलेंडर पाई आर स्क्वायर एच R1 H1 एंड दिस इज 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर H, R2 and H2. पाई सबसे पहले कैंसिल कर देंगे. R1 is 18, so 18 into 18 into H1, H1 is 32 is equal to 1/3 R2 square. ये फाइंड आउट करना है R2 and H2 is 24. So on cross multiplication, what do you get? 18 into 18 into 32 as it is. Cross multiplication से 3 आया इधर. 18 into 18 into 32, okay, और 24 आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में. This is equal to R2 का square. That is R2 square will go to that side, will become a square root. क्या करेंगे? 6, okay, 3 into 8, 8 into 4, very good. So 18 into 18 into 4 is what? 2 into 2. मतलब r का स्क्वायर, r उधर गया ना तो नो स्क्वायर है. r is equal to what? Therefore 18 दो बार है, रूट के बाहर एक बार लिखेंगे, 2 दो बार है एक बार, so radius is equal to 36 सेंटीमीटर. हाँ, आंसर इज करेक्ट. और कुछ फाइंड आउट करना है? एंड स्लांट हार्ट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to slant height of heap, मतलब कोन का slant height फाइंड आउट करना है. कोन के लिए हाइट है 24 and radius is 36. So 36 का स्क्वायर प्लस 24 का स्क्वायर. 24 का स्क्वायर देखो बार बार आ रहा है, 576. एनी आइडिया व्हाट इज 36 का स्क्वायर? 6 into 6 is 36. 18 into 8 is 36. 39. Is it 1296? Yes. So L is equal to root of what? 6 into 6, 12, 1 carry, 10 and 7, 17, 5, 7, 8, 1872. So L is equal to what? 1872 का factors. So 2 into 9, 2 into 3, 2 into 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 1, 2 into 6 is 12, 8, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. So 2 into 11, 2 into 7. 117, 3 में जाएगा, right? 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 9, 3 into 13. So 2, 2, 3. So L is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into root 13. 13 single है. So L is equal to 12 into root 13. log table से find out करना है root 13 का value. Anyway, here it is given as 3.6. So 12 into 6 is 72, 7 carry, 12 into 3 is 36 and 7 is 43, so 43.2 centimeter is the answer. Okay, as I told you, important is your interpretation. Interpretation correctly करो, उससे correct equation बनाओ, then solve it. Okay, equation अगर ये question आ जाता तो सारे marks जो इसके equation frame करने के लिए. Listen carefully. A vessel in the form of inverted cone is filled with the water to its brim. Means एक cone है which is filled with the water, completely filled with the water up to brim, पूरा भरा हुआ है. Exactly. Okay, मतलब पूरा volume is used. Its height and radius is 20 centimeter. So large cone है. There are two cones, large cone and a small cone. So large cone. हाँ, large cone का radius how much? R1 लेते हैं. Diameter is 16.8. So radius will be 16.8 upon 2. 2 into 8. Is it 8.4 centimeter? And the height is 20 centimeter. जरा ध्यान दो, थोड़ा लिखेंगे नहीं, ध्यान दोगे इधर तो भी चलेगा. And then we have a small cone. Okay, two small cones. Okay, दो small cone इसके अंदर immerse कर दिए. Okay, इसके अंदर डाल दिए. Okay, small two equal solid cones are dropped in it so that they are fully submerged. As a result, 1/3 of water in the original cone overflows. What is the volume of the cone? अच्छा, इसका कुछ दिया नहीं, directly इसका volume find out करना है. Okay, volume of a cone. All right. चलो, now tell me how to frame a equation. Situation is this, ये पूरा पानी से भरा हुआ है. These two small cones, solid small cone are dropped in it. तो water will overflow. Water will overflow. Okay. और ये water कितना overflow हो गया? तो 1/3 of the original cone. Okay. Volume of the water overflow is the volume of the original cone into 1/3. एक equation बना दोगे ना तो हो जाएगा. See here, I'm framing this equation. So this step is important. बाकी solution में क्या है? Board mass, cross multiplication, multiply, divide, plus minus, only that much. Okay? 2 multiply by volume of small cone. 2 multiply by volume of small cone is equal to Okay, ये वॉल्यूम एज पर आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल यू हैव स्टडीड इन योर चैप्टर, प्रेशर वाले चैप्टर में 9th स्टैंडर्ड में, इज इक्वल टू 1/3 वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिग कोन, लार्ज कोन. Is it clear? What does Archimedes told us? He told that volume of the object immersed is equal to volume of the water displaced. Volume of the object immersed is 2 into volume of small cone, because these two small cones are immersed. तो उतना वॉल्यूम अंदर गया, तो बाहर कितना आया इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर डिस्प्लेस. सो वाटर डिस्प्लेस इज 1/3 द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द लार्ज कोन. आगे क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. ओके, यही तो फाइंड आउट करना है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्मॉल कोन. तो ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन से 2 का डिनोमिनेटर पे जाएगा. सो 1/2 into 3 into वॉल्यूम ऑफ लार्ज कोन. कोन इज 1/3 pi r square h. pi r square h. So what? 1 upon न्यूमरेटर में क्या आया? पाई 22/7 into r square. R is 8.4. 84/10 डेसिमल पॉइंट निकाल दिया. ओके, into h is 20 और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या था? 2 into 3 into 3. आई होप हमारा इंटरप्रिटेशन करेक्ट अगर है तो राइट आंसर मिलेगा. हाँ, सो 0 and 0 cancel. Okay, 10 into 2 is 20. 2 and 2 is also cancel. Then anything else? 3 के टेबल में ये जाएगा ना, 3 और 84. चलो 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 8. एक 3 cut. Then what again? 3 into 28. Can we cut anything else? 2 into 11. 2 into 5. और कुछ कट कर सकते हैं. 7 into 4 is 28. 44. 28 into 44. 8 into 4 is 32. For 8. 112. 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2 divide by 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 6 is 30. Point लिया 0. 5 into 4 is 20. Volume तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. This is 2006 बोर्ड क्वेश्चन. हाँ, बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है. देखो, इजी क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं. Volume of a conical tent is 1232 meter cube. This is also board question, 2008. And area of a floor is pi r square. Area of a floor, by the way, find क्या करना? Radius of the floor. Okay. Area of a floor is 154 meter square. Area का formula क्या है? Pi r square. Is it? I think r7 आएगा. 154. Okay, so 22/7 into r square is equal to 154. Therefore, r square is equal to 154 into 7/22. 11 into 1, 11 into 4, 11 into 2, 2 into 7. So r is equal to under root 7 into 7 is equal to 7 meters. So first answer is 7 meters. Radius. Height of the cone. अब हाइट के लिए हम लोगों को हाइट वी वांट L, तो वो कहां से फाइंड आउट करेंगे? वॉल्यूम से. वॉल्यूम इज 1232 मीटर क्यूब. वॉल्यूम इज व्हाट? 1/3 पाई r square h is equal to 1232. Therefore 1/3 into 22/7, r is 7. 7 into 7 into h is equal to 1232. मत कैंसिलेशन करो इधर 7 7. ओके, सारा कैंसिलेशन एक साथ और सिंगल स्टेप में करेंगे. 1 2 3 2 into 3 into 7. ऐसे करने से रॉन्ग होने का चांस बहुत कम हो जाता है. 7 7 कट. 11 into 1 is 11, remainder is 1. 11 into 11 is 1, remainder is 2. 11 into 2. 11 into 2. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 6 is 12. 7 into 8 is 56. 8 into 3 is 24. H is equal to 24 meter. ठीक है. और क्या फाइंड आउट करना? लेंथ ऑफ द कैनवस रिक्वायर्ड टू कवर दिस कॉनिकल टेंट. क्लॉथ रिक्वायर्ड टू कवर द कॉनिकल टेंट ऑफ विड्थ 2 सेंटीमीटर. कॉनिकल टेंट को कवर करना है. डू यू वांट मी टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन टोटल सरफेस एरिया एंड द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया? ओके, कवर करना है कॉनिकल, ओके। सो दिस एरिया, कर्व वाला एरिया, टोटल में क्या होता है, बेस इंक्लूड होता है, तो 10th के बेस में क्लॉथ नहीं है, ओके। सो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, हाँ, एरिया ऑफ क्लॉथ रिक्वायर्ड, एरिया ऑफ क्लॉथ रिक्वायर्ड इज इक्वल टू कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया। एरिया ऑफ अ क्लॉथ, क्लॉथ तो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में होगा, तो लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ, एरिया ऑफ क्लॉथ रिक्वायर्ड, ओके, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ। कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ कोन, इज इट पाई आर एल? We have to find out length of the cloth. So L is as it is. Width is given as 2 meters. So into 2 is equal to pi 22 upon 7. How much is the radius? 7 into L. L कितना है? मिला है नहीं मिला है? L दिया है नहीं? क्या डायरेक्टली लूँ? Pythagoras triplet. Radius is 7 and height is 24. So Pythagoras triplet is 7, 24 and 25. पिछले सम में किया था, सॉल्व करके दिखाओ, हाँ। सो L is 25, ठीक है, सॉरी, अच्छा ये L1 लेते हैं और ये L2 लेते हैं, या दिस इज L2 एंड दिस इज L1। सो L2 इज व्हाट, 22 into 7 into 25 upon 2 into 7। कुछ नहीं समझा तो पूछो, दैट इज व्हाट आई कैन से, ऐसे ही डोंट सिट लाइक अ स्पेक्टेटर। 2 into 11, so how much? 25 and 25, 275 meter length of cloth required. See, such a long question, अगर 3 मार्क के लिए आएगा तो कितना, फिर भी एक स्टेप किया नहीं हम लोगों ने, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वाला। L square is equal to R square plus H square. So what? 7 square plus 24 square. L is equal to root 625 is equal to 25 meters. L का value, L1, curved surface area of a cloth. So these relations, you should be in a position to understand this. कोन को कवर करना means curved surface area. तो ये कोन का जो कोन को कवर करेंगे उसके लिए ये रेक्टेंगुलर पेपर यूज करेंगे या रेक्टेंगुलर कैनवास यूज करेंगे। सो एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल, ओके, इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ कर्व्ड सरफेस ऑफ अ कोन। तो ये रिलेशन, तो उससे फॉर्मूला सब्स्टिट्यूशन, एंड इफ वन वैल्यू इज अननोन यू कैन फाइंड दैट वैल्यू। चलो 17th वाला, कॉनिकल टेंट इज टू अकोमोडेट 77 पर्सन, ओके। तो ये क्वांटिटी को बाद में देखेंगे। Each person must have 16 meter cube of air to breathe. Given the radius of a tent is 7 centimeter, find the height of a tent and also the curved surface area. जरा ये देखते हैं, वॉल्यूम देखते हैं, okay? See here, again I'll say that volume वाला part is important, okay? Volume of cone. इधर देखो, there are 77 persons in the conical tent and each person require this much of air to breathe. 77 into this will be the total requirement. Given the radius is 7, find the height of the tent. Can I say volume of a cone is 77 into 16? Is my interpretation correct? One person requires 16 meter cube of air and there are 77, okay? So volume of a cone, formula is 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to 77 into 16. Multiply मत करो, that will be waste of time क्योंकि बाद में divide करना ही है। 22 upon से ना, और ये बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन है। रेडियस दिया है ना, रेडियस गिवन, रेडियस इज 7, तो 7 into 7 and yes we have to find out height. हाइट मिल जाएगा इधर क्योंकि ओनली वन वैल्यू इज अननोन। सब कैंसिलेशन लास्ट में करेंगे हम लोग। 77 into 16 into 3 into 7 by cross multiplication this two values goes there, okay? और ये 22, 7 and 7 will come here, 7 and 7 cut, 11 into 7, 11 into 2, 2 into 8 is 16 और एक 7 बचा, तो 7 and 7 cut, is it correct? तो हाइट इज 24 मीटर, 8 into 3 मीटर, हाइट इज इक्वल टू, यस राइट है। और भी कुछ फाइंड आउट करना, ऑल्सो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, अभी फाइंड आउट किया था, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया इज पाई आर एल। डू वी हैव एल? देखो ना, फिर से सेम पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट, रेडियस इज व्हाट, 7। सो दीज आर फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट, तो उनको याद रखा करो। तो एल विल बी 25, okay? So pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 7 and L is 25. 7 and 7 कट, ये सेम आंसर है पिछला जो था वो, ये मल्टीप्लाई किया था. ओके, 550 मीटर स्क्वायर इस कर्व सरफेस एरिया. बाय द वे ये स्टेप करना है तो कर सकते हो आप लोग, नहीं इनफैक्ट करो ये. L square is equal to R square plus H square. So L square is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. L is equal to root of 625. Is equal to 525 meter. Okay. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 132 centimeter. Okay. Circumference is length of the boundary. Length means one dimension centimeter. Height is 25 centimeter. Find the radius. See, circumference is equal to 132 centimeter. Circumference means 2 pi r is equal to 132. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 132. Therefore r is equal to 132 into 7 by cross multiply 2 into 22. 11 into 1, 11 into 2, 11 into 2, 2 into 6, 2 into 3, r is 21 centimeter. हाँ, तो ये फर्स्ट वाला आंसर 21 centimeter. We have to find out a volume. Pi 22 upon 7 into radius. Radius is given as 21 into 21 and height 7 into 3 is 21. So what? 22 into 3 is 66. 25 into 25 is 2 it is 525. 25 into 1 is 25, 2 carry, 25 into 2 is 50 plus 2 is 50. Multiply इसको करो और बताओ क्या आता है. 525 into 66. 6 into 5 is 33 carry. 6 into 2 is 12 and 3 15 1 carry. 6 into 5 is 30 31. अभी फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करने में टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आंसर विल बी सेम. 05643 34,650 what centimeter volume, तो centimeter cube. Is it volume? Yes. Okay. A conical hole is scooped out of a solid wooden cylinder as shown in the figure. Find the volume of a remaining solid where measurement are as follow. Height of a cylinder H1 is 7 centimeter. Radius of a cone, cylinder and cone. What we want is radius and height. R1 H1, H2 R2. Okay. Measurement as follow. Height of a solid cylinder is 7 centimeter. Radius of each cone and cylinder is 3 centimeter. So radius are 3 and 3. Height of a cone in centimeter. Give your answer to a nearest whole number. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. करेंगे इसको. इसमें स्क्वायर रूट आएगा. देखो क्या फाइंड करना है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ रिमेनिंग सॉलिड. वॉल्यूम ऑफ रिमेनिंग पार्ट. क्या फॉर्मूला बनाओगे बताओ. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर आगे क्या.
Volume of cylinder minus twice volume of cone.
Yes. Minus twice volume of cone because one cone is scooped out or cut out from here and the another cone here. और दोनों equal है. Twice volume of cone. Right? Volume of cylinder pi r square h minus 2 into 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Here r2 h2 here r1 h1. थोड़ा हम लोग टेक्निकली करेंगे. पाई को कॉमन लेते हैं. सिलेंडर का रेडियस इज r1 is 3. So pi common निकाला 3 into 3 into h1 is 7 minus this is what 2 by 3 into r square. Pi common निकाला r square. R is 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. Correct? So minus को jump करके कट मत करो. This 3 and 3 cancelled. Pi is 22 upon 7. दो बार सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बजाय एक ही बार करेंगे. ओके. 3 also can be taken out common. नहीं लेते. चलो 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 7 is 63. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. 45. Now what? 4590, is it 990 upon 7, correct hai? 990 divided by 7, we'll write in a mixed fraction. 7 into 1 is 7, remainder is what, 2, 9. 7 into 4 is 28, remainder is 1, 7 into 1 is 7, okay, bacha 3, 141 3 by 7. Kya will give your answer to correct nearest whole number. Okay, so answer is 141 3 by 7. Volume hai, so volume will be centimeter cube, but answer should be in a whole number. 3/4 is 0.75 na, 3 by 7, okay, 0.5 से कम है तो 141 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Everything is same, values are different. Volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. 2020 में आया था, last time board examination was conducted. 21 में तो नहीं हुआ. सेम क्वेश्चन आया वैल्यू चेंज करके. पाई आर स्क्वायर एच R1 H1 माइनस 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच R2 H2. डायग्राम पाई को कॉमन लेंगे. ओके, डायग्राम में ही देखते हैं. रेडियस ऑफ सिलेंडर और कोन इक्वल है. डायमीटर इज 6, सो रेडियस विल बी 3. सिलेंडर का हाइट इज 28, माइनस पाई कॉमन लिया 1/3. रेडियस इज सेम दोनों का, तो 3 into 3 into हाइट. हाइट इज 10.5. अच्छा, माइनस करते वक्त 2 लेना पड़ेगा ना, 2 माइनस किया. वहां था क्या ऐसा 2? अच्छा, लिया था 2. सो 2 into, okay, because there are 2 cones. 5 into 2, 5 into 1. 5 into 2, 2 and 2 cancel, 3 into 7. So 22 into 3 into 3, 28 minus 7. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. 22 into 27. 54, 54. 495, 594. Okay, so this was the last sum.